Hello, everyone. This is Curtis Fitch. Just want to get here and just kind of show you some of my ideas for my project here. So, for my topic, as you can see here on the web space, our Blackboard web space, uh, my whole project's on focusing a time development management plan for student athletes. I was a former collegiate student athlete. Now I work with East Carolina football, and this is one of the biggest things that I see just kids struggle with that are collegiate student athletes: time management and how to get a plan. So for one of my ideas, I'm actually doing in my 70/30 class I'm currently taking as well. That kind of transforms over to this side as kind of a universal web page or site that student athletes can kind of get on to do anything from their playbook to reading to pictures that from last week's game, and then also combining that with their schoolwork and quizzes. And it's just kind of an idea I've come up with. I think it's a place that will kind of help them all bring all their life together and just kind of really help in that time management plan. I think it's something that can be very beneficial and very good for their time management. So, kind of going over, I created a Google site, very simple, very easy to build. Here it is. Obviously, this is actually a picture of me, but just kind of shows, hey, here's an athletics tab right over here where they can have anything, where they can have built-in picture from the game. They can have any type of playbook information that needs to be done. So here's just one site. Okay, I have a quiz in my 70/40 class. I can go to my academics, and this is where, hey, there's a link right here for my pop quiz that can be posted. I need to take that. Just kind of a home page button, so everything can be any type of information that can be from sports to classes to any type of notes that need to be brought in or any type of announcements can all be brought into this one portal. Just being a former collegiate student athlete, I mean, this is a site that would help me so much with my time management. Being able to have everything I need. There's so much that goes into a student athlete's life, from school to work to practice. Having a site like this really would have helped me personally with my time management, knowing what to do and where to be, and all these types of things. So I think this just kind of there's obviously so much that can be done with here, but this is just kind of my base idea of something that can really help the lives of so many across the country from any type of sport. I just want to thank you for taking a listen, and I hope for some good feedback on my idea and what I can do to improve. Appreciate it.